What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today we're here in the Honda S2000 and we'll be replacing some of the AC climate control knobs. Recently they've been kind of flaking on me, and you guys know they get discoloration as well as they crack over time. So S2000 is an old car, so let's go ahead and get it replaced. Super easy. And we are in the cockpit of the S2000. So last install video we installed this ASM steering wheel as well as the quick release, which is the NRI, as well as works bell quick release. Very nice setup. So this is the AC control knobs, what I'm telling you about. If you notice right here, over time it starts to crack. Yeah, Texas heat is pretty brutal, so both of them started to crack. To replace them is pretty easy. You just pretty much pop, oh look, it's flaking on me as I'm doing this video. You pretty much just pull it right out and it should come right off, just like that. So that's one, and then for the top, same thing. Just turn it all the way to the side and give it a little tug. Comes right off. So yeah, this is how they look. Just look how crusty they are. Literally fell off as I was taking it off. It was fine because usually the car's garage cap, but I had to send it to the shop a few weeks back and it sat in the sun, and Texas summers are brutal. It's been over 100 degrees, really hot, and that's when these old plastic knobs start to crack. So yeah, pretty excited. Again, if you guys want to buy it, here is the part number. This is something you can pick up. You can go to Honda, pick it up. You can buy on eBay, on Amazon. This is genuine Honda OEM stuff. Just to give you a rough idea, I probably paid about slightly over 30 bucks for two of them, both knobs. Not a bad deal. Alright, and this is how the OEM ones look. They look exactly the same. So this is the new one. This is the OEM. Well, both are OEM. So if you notice, it's a little spring right here. Make sure this is on there. And if you look over here, so I had to turn it all the way to the side, so you want to make sure to kind of line it up, and you just want to apply a little pressure, push the knob, it should go right in. So yeah, I had it turned all the way to the left, so same thing right now. It's turned on, nice and smooth. So one down, one more to go. And just in case you guys are wondering, it says here it fits 2002 to 2009 AP1 to AP2. If you own a 2000 and 2001 S2000, it might be a different design, different color maybe, but yeah, pretty much fits AP1 and AP2, and it's a direct fit. It's a plug and play, as you guys saw with this one. So let's go ahead and take the other one out and install it. And there you have it, all on. Make sure it works nice and tight, and this literally takes 2 seconds to throw on. Super easy. Like I said, don't be afraid. When you pull it out, you just turn it all the way to the side and apply a little pressure, pops right out. No tools needed. So highly recommend, especially when you have them looking a little bit old and crusty. Always recommend switching them out. For both, I paid up slightly over $30, slightly over 30 US dollars for both knobs. So hope you guys like this super simple DIY video. Yeah, slowly replacing some of the parts on the S2000. Like I said, with it being an older car, some parts need replacing over time, just wear and tear. So hope you guys like it. Next up, we'll be having a shifter video, so make sure to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.